What is the one food that I could eat
하나만 먹어도
for the
되는
rest of my life?
진! 팬들의 사랑? 이거 아니라고? 이거 아니야?
Can BTS?
Can
깡통 BTS.
Can BTS come to my birthday party?
Yeah, sorry. Sorry. We are so busy. Sorry.
How BTS introduce themselves. Hello, I am
진.
I'm RM.
My name is Bree. I'm good boy.
Yeah.
I'm Jungkook.
I'm your hope. You're my hope. I'm Jay.
I'm 지민.
Hi, I'm Sugar.
How BTS learn the English?
Oh,
yeah.
Jungkook is taking lessons.
Yeah.
Hobie is taking lessons. Suga is taking lessons, and you are taking no lessons.
Netflix.
Is BTS famous?
BTS 유명한가요?
Yeah, very famous.
어쩌면 영어로 보여요.
어쩌면? Maybe.
아, 그거요? Maybe. Is BTS nice?
Yeah, BTS is very nice.
No, we're great.
BTS nice.
No, we're bad boy.
we're bad
we're
boy.
bad.
Yeah.
Bad boy.
Yes, I'm a bad boy.
Yeah, I'm bad boy. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm a bad boy.
Who is BTS leader?
Namjoon Kim.
Kim Namjoon.
Our leader is very
Is-
smart and very.
Very kind.
Oh yeah, very
very
nice.
멍청대.
strong,
Very
and
healthy.
big body.
very handsome. Who is the most handsome in BTS?
John, very handsome guy. Thank
Okay,
you.
John.
Thank you, my bro.